Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the 5 best stair climber dolly that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. dBest Laundry Stair Climber. This is a good option if you live in a multi-storied house and need a more natural way to carry heavy laundry up and down the stairs. The vast, cylindrical attachable laundry bag makes it easier to carry much laundry up and down the stair with ease and save valuable time. Next, it has 110 pounds, which means you can carry much laundry in a single run. Furthermore, the tri-wheel setup makes it easier to carry up the stairs without any difficulty. On the other hand, the robust carbon steel body is highly durable and stays in shape. Lastly, the sturdy laundry bag can carry heavy loads and is tear-free. At number 4. Viver Stair Climbing Cart. If you are looking for a dolly that can carry a significant amount of weight, but on a budget, you cannot go wrong with the Viver Stair Climbing Cart. The 6-wheel arrangement ensures you can use it safely and with confidence on the stairs. Next, the handle is adjustable to your chosen height, so you can customize it according to your needs and the surface you are carrying it on. It is foldable, so it can fit into the trunk of any car and is quite portable. The smooth rolling wheels make it easy to travel around without making much, even after regular use. All in all, this is the right choice if you are looking on these lines but have a tight budget. At number 3. dBest Products Stair Climber Trolley Dolly 2. This trolley dolly improves upon its predecessor in many ways. First, is the bigger bag, which can fit more items than before. It is also of better quality carbon steel, making it very durable. Plus, the bag is also detached when needed, to carry stuff like big water canisters. One significant improvement is to the wheels. The new and bigger beefy wheels can course through any terrain. It can also move on the sand and go up the stairs. Besides, the new wheels have no problem treading through broken roads and sidewalks. Besides, it is also used as a shopping cart, a travel bag, a grocery cart, and is 60% bigger than other similar carts. This cart is a great necessity for seniors on their trips as it is effortless to move around. Lastly, the cushioned handles remove much stress while it is being pulled. At number 2. dBest Products Stair Climber Mighty Max. This has a construction of sturdy steel and is a very durable cause of its properties. Next, it has a padded cushion that can easily carry a heavy load or act as a chair. The carrying capacity is 150 pounds that will let you put in a lot of weight on it. The 6-wheel design makes it easier to climb stairs without any issues. Furthermore, the variety in colors, the added cushion padding, and high carrying capacity, makes it the right choice. The cart comes in dimensions of 19 by 18 by 44 inches that are wide enough for carrying everything. Number 1. dBest Products Stair Climber Trolley. Our folding stair climber trolley dolly cart perfectly balances lightweight capability with durability and features 6-wheel design that glides up and down stairs with ease. Take it to the supermarket, flea market or the beach. Easily folds down in half for compact storage when not in use. Store in the trunk of your car, under the bed, in the closet or garage. Use it as a shopping cart, grocery cart, utility cart, foldable cart, and overall exceptional cart on. Remove the bag and it becomes a lightweight dolly capable of carrying up to 110 pounds. Live in an apartment or condo, no problem. The stair climber trolley dolly climbs stairs more smoothly than any other stair climber cart or trolley on the market. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.